Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you are going to add your users, your staff, your trainers. So let me start with master. Then you have to go to role management. In role management, you have to add a role with, a, with designation like for trainers. I want to set limits. I want to set their permissions at one time. I don't want to set the permission every time. So just one time I need to set the permission like I'm going to add a role with the name of trainer, and then what permissions I want to allow to trainers, like what they are going to see in the software after login. So first I have to set the permissions like on dashboard. What I don't want to allow them to see is collection, due, total members, and then membership expired, and whatever we want to allow. So we can untick the permissions we don't not want to show them. Then we have to do this for every module, like master with permission we don't want to give. Then in membership they can add member but not add it or delete. Then membership renewal they can do. So we can set permissions according to the roles. Then they can add the inquiry but don't want to allow delete and add permission. Then don't want to allow the voice permission, receipt permission, and don't want to allow to check the reports. Just need to allow PT reports in a PT report. And then attendance for members. We do not want to give that. Then salary module. They can remove that permission. Then username they can chat, type, workout, everything they can do to the members. Then expenses, don't want to give that permission also. Then bulk upload. Then inventory, also don't want to give this permission. And QR code option for attendance, you can do it also. And in application, I'm going to allow them for self attendance only. Like they cannot be attended, that scan their QR code. And for event and scheduling, I can remove it. And then submit. After submission, like if the role name is exists, then it will show you as one or more categories could not be added due to duplication. If the role is unique, then it will store in your database. So after that, we have to go to user management, add user. Then I have to select the role which I have already created. Then here's the role type on your right. So role type, all data and child data we will get here. So all data in the sense they can check or view every user's data with respect to the permission. Like whatever permission they have, they can view only that data of other users also. And in self data, they can check their own data or own assigned data, like whatever the permissions they have assigned or whatever the members they have assigned. After that, we have to insert name of trainer, like trainer name here, then trainer's contact number here, then trainer's email we can also, if we don't want to enter, then we can leave it blank. Then trainer's username, trainers, we do it also. In password, we have to set the password of minimum 8 characters with one capital letter, one special character, and one number. So I'm going to use P-R-A-I-N-E-R 123 with T capital. Okay. So below we can enter address, date of birth of trainer, gender, experience of trainer, and then how much incentive we are going to allow on every PT. It will be in percentage. So 50 percentage we are giving in PT to the trainers. Membership incentive we can also add if like we are giving any incentive on membership also, then we can add it also. Then we have to, if in multi-branch case, we have to select the branch. So I'm going to select GGMS and then select. So this is how you can add your roles. You can set the permission according to the roles, and then you can add the user under that role. As you have already defined the permission, so you do not need to define permissions to the users, to every users. Like the role will uh, do that. Okay. So this is how we are going to add the users, and then the salary module. So in salary module, we can add the salary structure of every staff, and then we can calculate the salary according to their attendance. So first we have to go to salary structure, add salary structure. Then we need to select the employee, like I have added trainer name. Then we need to do a joining date, like 08 04 2020. Then basic salary we are giving to the trainers like 15,000. HR is 0, special airline 0, ESL is 0, PR 0. Then how much leaves are allowed in month? So like we are allowing 1 month every, like one leave every month. And then shift hours, like they are working 8 hours a day. We can also manage the shift here, like we can manage the time slots here of trainers. So after that, of trainer or staff. After that, submit. After submission, we have to manage their attendance, like training, present. In the end of every month, we have to generate their salaries. Like I want to generate salary for August. Then it will show you like this. Here is a trainer name. Basic salary is 15,000. 1 month, like one leave is allowed per month. So 2,500 is already there because their salary is 15,000. Okay, and after that, we can manage their incentive here. Like if there is an incentive against this trainer, so we can add that incentive manually. Like 5,000 incentive is calculated this month, so we have entered that and then submit. After submission, we can check the updated salary. Or if there is any correction in their attendance, we can do that also according to the staff. Like they have come and you vendor day, so we can mark it as percent and then present and then present. So we can manage their attendance manually also after generating the salary. So after managing this attendance part, we can check their salary. So this is how we are going to manage the salary and staff roles and login credentials. So we can check the salary log here, how much salary we are going to give to a staff. And also we can print down the salary slip. Okay, so this is it for user staff and salary. Thank you. Bye bye.